strange morning in the woods of a mountain nearby. Two kids round the age of your friend, cousin's friend, looking for some freedom, far away from mama's hand. Strangest thing is they gave up on asking where and why. To inspire some of the minds, gather around, experience how, gotta give up on asking the where and why. Added on step after step, a minute to hours. Time turned to some vague idea. Everyone else getting high in altitude. This ain't no place for cowards. Fear turned to some vague idea. For everyone else, for everyone else, for everyone else, for everyone. Some of the minds gather around, experience how, gotta give up on asking where and why. Everything turns to a daydream fantasy. This ain't no time for a world of complexity. Get around and experience out. You gotta give up on asking where and why.